Hello friends, welcome back to the brand new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how to solve a screen color problem on Realme phone. Friends, you can see you have this problem on your Realme phone when you use any photos and video. So when your screen show guys this type interface guys, same problem guys you have on your Realme phone. So how to solve this problem on Realme phone guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So when you can solve this problem easily on your Realme phone. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, you will have to click on accessibility setting guys. Where is accessibility setting? So friends, you can find accessibility on your additional setting. After additional setting friends, click on accessibility setting and friends scroll it. Friends, you can see current version setting. Friends, tap here. Friends, by mistake you have on your current version on your phone, and friends you forget. After on you forget to off. So you will have to only tap here and friends come back. Friends, your skin color problem will solve. Friends, you can use guys your screen without any skin color problem. Friends, you can check. Friends, you can use your YouTube app without any screen color problem. So like that guy we can solve a screen color problem on Realme phone device guys. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, friends, you have any problem on your Realme phone, so friends you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. And friends, you can solve with shortcut setting also. Click on direct here guys accessibility setting friends. Friends, accessibility tap here. After accessibility setting friends, scroll current version, tap here, your problem will solve. And as you can see there are many setting, color correction, high contrast text friends you want to on, you can on and off from here. There's talkback you want to use, so you can on talkback and you can use talkback setting from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.